Hi friends, I just wanted to let you know about the error message. After 40 miles I got the error message in the display. The error was a tire pressure error message. How to reset the error message? Just click to the home. Whenever you click to the home, come down this button. Do you see? Service. Click OK. And this morning I had one message, tire pressure correction. You have to come down and you will see this tire pressure. You have to click OK. After that you will see the tire pressure error message in here. Come down. Do you see? It says press OK to confirm. I'm gonna press. Is resetting it. Okay, sounds good. Okay, as you've seen, it's removed completely. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you get this kind of issue, you can reset. Sometimes it's buggy signal, sometimes no, the pressure is a little bit low, because this car AMG GTR different than McLaren or NSX or any other supercar. Usually if you get a little bit pressure, 5 psi or 10 psi, you get this kind of error message. Just you have to check the tires and everything is good. You have to reset the tire pressure. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day.